Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 40 and teach you how to use I am and I don't in our day-to-day life. For example, do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 40. I am, I don't, etc. Section A. I am not tired. I am. She isn't tired, but he is. He is means he is tired. Do you like tea? No, I don't. Yes, I do. He likes tea, but she doesn't. She doesn't means she doesn't like tea. In these examples, it is not necessary to repeat same words. He is tired, she doesn't like tea. You can use these verbs in the same way. I haven't got a car, but my sister has. It means my sister has got a car. A. Please help me. B. I am sorry, I can't. It means I can't help you. A. Are you tired? B. I was, but I am not now. It means I was tired, but I am not tired now. A. Do you think Laura will come and see us? B. She might. It means she might come. A. Are you going now? B. Yes, I am afraid. I must. It means I must go. We don't use short forms in this way. You must use am, is, have, etc. She isn't tired, but he is. Not but he is. But we can use isn't, haven't, won't, etc. Negative short forms. My sister has got a car, but I haven't. Are you and Jane working tomorrow? I am, but Jane isn't. Section B. You can use I am not, etc. after yes and no. Are you tired? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Will Alan be here tomorrow? Yes, he will. No, he won't. Is there a bus to the airport? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Section C. We use do, does, for the present simple. I don't like hot weather, but Sue does. It means Sue likes hot weather. Sue works hard, but I don't. It means I don't work hard. Do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. We use did for the past simple. A. Did you and Chris enjoy the film? B. I did, but Chris didn't. It means I enjoyed it, but Chris didn't enjoy it. I had a good time. I did too. It means I enjoyed it too. Did it rain yesterday? No, it didn't. Now it's time for exercises. 40.1. Complete these sentences. Use only one verb. Is, have, can, etc. each time. Number 1. Kate wasn't hungry, but we were. Number 2. I am not married, but my brother is. Number 3. Ben can't help you, but I can. Number 4. I haven't seen the film, but Tom has. Number 5. Karen won't be here, but Chris will. Number 6. You weren't late, but I was. 40.2. Complete these sentences with a negative verb. Isn't, haven't, can't, etc. Number 1. My sister can play the piano, but I can't. Number 2. Sam is working today, but I am not. Number 3. I was working, but my friends weren't. Number 4. Mark has been to China, but I haven't. Number 5. I am ready to go, but Tom isn't. Number 6. I got a key, but Sarah hasn't. 40.3. Complete these sentences with do, does, did, or don't, doesn't, didn't. Number 1. I don't like hot weather, but Sue does. Number 2. Sue likes hot weather, but I don't. Number 3. My mother wears glasses, but my father doesn't. Number 4. You don't know Paul very well, but I do. Number 5. I didn't enjoy the party, but my friends did. Number 6. I don't watch TV much, but Peter does. Number 7. Kate lives in London, but her parents don't. Number 8. You had breakfast this morning, but I did not have. 40.4. Complete the sentences. Write about yourself and other people. Number 1. I didn't go out last night, but my friends did. Number 2. I like sport, but my sister doesn't. Number 3. I don't eat meat, but Jessica does. Number 4. I am American, but my husband isn't. Number 5. I haven't been to Japan, but Jessica has. 40.5. Put in a verb, positive or negative. Number 1. Are you tired? I was earlier, but I am not now. Number 2. Steve is happy today, but he wasn't yesterday. Number 3. The bank isn't open yet, but the shops are. Number 4. I haven't got a telescope, but I know somebody who has. Number 5. I would like to help you, but I am afraid I can't. Number 6. I don't usually go to work by car, but I did yesterday. Number 7. A. Have you ever been to the United States? B. No, but Sandra has. She went there on holiday last year. Number 8. Do you and Chris watch TV a lot? I do, but Chris doesn't. Number 9. I have been invited to Sam's wedding, but Kate hasn't. Number 10. Do you think Sarah will pass her driving test? Yes, I'm sure she will. Number 11. Are you going out tonight? I might. I don't know for sure. 40.6. Answer these questions about yourself. Use yes, I have, or no, I am not, etc. Number 1. Are you American? No, I am not. Number 2. Have you got a car? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Number 3. Do you feel okay? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Number 4. Is it snowing? Yes, it is, or no, it's not. Number 5. Are you hungry? Yes, I am, or no, I am not. Number 6. Do you like classical music? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Number 7. Will you be in Paris tomorrow? Yes, I will, or no, I will not. Number 8. Have you ever broken your arm? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Number 9. Did you buy anything yesterday? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Number 10. Were you asleep at 3 a.m.? Yes, I was, or no, I wasn't. This is the end of unit number 40. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 41. Till then, bye bye.